Hello everyone and welcome to Decker Home Repairs, and in this video we just wanted to talk about pressure washing real quick and why it's important to have your home deck or driveway pressure washed. It gives your house or driveway or deck a better look, and it increases the longevity of your deck or home by keeping it clean. So we would like you to give us a call at 864-416-1620. Again, that's 864-416-1620 so that we can come out and pressure wash your home, driveway, or deck. Or you can use our Contact Us page at deckerhomerepairs.com. Just click on the Contact Us tab and just fill in this short form that we have on the website here and click send. We'll get the form submission and we'll give you a call back as soon as possible so that we can get out and pressure wash your home, deck, or driveway. We service Greer, South Carolina, Greenville, South Carolina, Spartanburg, South Carolina, and all surrounding areas. So again, give us a call at 864-416-1620 for all your pressure washing needs. Thanks for watching the video, and we look forward to servicing you soon.